In this video, I'm going to go over 2 different ways to set up your set and rep schemes to maximize strength and maximal force production. I like to use is called a cluster set. So how that's pretty much set up is you'll do a set of 1 to 3 typically. So when you use sets of 3. So the first set you're going to do is you're going to do a set of 3, then you're going to rest about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you're going to do another set of 3, okay, which will bring each set up to about 6 repetitions. This will be set 1. Set 2 would be the same thing, and set 3. Cluster sets don't have to just be 2 of them. It just doesn't have to be a set of 3 and then a set of 3. It could be 3 sets of 3 rest. It could be 2 sets of 2. It could even be 3 sets of 2. I really like doing this with singles. I like to cluster singles actually. 3 sets of 1, especially if the percentage you're using is very close to your 1 rep max. I use this a lot to train with stones because they're really heavy, and it allows me rest and recovery in between. But in between each cluster set, you want to rest the appropriate amount of time depending on the load. It can be anywhere from 60 seconds up to 5 minutes. Reverse pyramid or a Russian pyramid. So we'll start with 5 repetitions on a particular movement. I'm going to take pull-ups for example. My first set, I'm going to do 5 repetitions. Second set, I'm going to do 4 reps. 3 reps. On the next set, 2 reps. And on the last set, I'm going to do 1 repetition. Okay? In total, this will give you about 15 repetitions. So you think of it as 3 sets of 5 or even 5 sets of 3. Starting at 10 reps and moving your way down to 1 rep. That will give you about 55 repetitions. I really like this rep scheme because if you're struggling to do sets of 5, it still allows you to get basically 3 sets of 5 in without actually doing 3 sets of 5.